folks, just another quick upload. This one on the installation of a reverse camera in a 2005 Renault Megane. The first part here is just the preparation of the reverse light, the drilling of a hole through the positive in the housing, and then the attachment of the wire for the trigger. This is the removal of the A-pillar. This is the first bit of trim you have to remove. I'll put a link in the description for that. And these are just some shots to show how the A-pillar cover connects to the A-pillar. It's not easy to remove unless you follow this procedure. So these are the various clips that hold that A-pillar cover in place. And at the base of the A-pillar cover, this is the slot that it needs to fit into. These are the first panels you need to remove. This is the B-pillar panel. You take it off at the top and then it slips out at the bottom. And then the various other panels can be unclipped, as you can see here, the passenger sill cover, the right-hand front sill cover. These have to be done in a certain order because otherwise you can't get them out. The right-hand front kick panel comes next. Kick panel comes next, and this is just showing the laying of the cable in that right-hand front sill panel. Cable feeding down the A-pillar after you peel back the door rubber, and this is the final panel to remove at the back of the car to feed the cables into the boot area, which you can see there. To mount the camera, I drilled a hole through the plastic bumper and then through a plastic bung in the steel boot, which you can see here. And I just showed a screwdriver poking through there to show where it goes. And then I fed the cable from the camera in through the back of the car, in through those two holes. And here you can see the trigger cable in red and the black video cable just fed through the back of the boot, the metal boot part, just to keep it up out of the way. And then just bundled the remaining cable into and tucked it behind that side panel at the end. And here you can see the camera just mounted on the back of the car. And this is the picture you get once the camera's mounted. It's quite good. And this is the item that I bought. I don't have a link for the purchase of it, but there's quite a few of these on eBay. But if you look at the features that this one gives you, that's probably the one to go for. And here's another picture of the features.